Hey guys, this is Ankit and I welcome to all of you on our channel QWSCAP. In this video, we will be discussing about HP hiring process and what is the exam pattern for HP company and what are the interview questions they have asked in their previous drives. So see this video till the end, you will get so many info about HP company. So let's discuss about what are the things we will be discussing in this video. So first of all, we will talk about job role and what is the salary they used to give, what is the eligibility criteria to eligible for the HP company, what is the selection process, and also we will see the technical interview questions and HR interview questions which is asked in the HP previous drives. So don't miss anything in this video. Guys, as you can see, these are the videos we have uploaded recently. So on the daily basis we are bringing every job update. So recently we have uploaded about Virtusac, XF Career, Deloitte, IBM, SCL, Accenture, TCS, Wipro, Cognizant. So each and every job updates we are giving on the daily basis. So if you have not subscribed this channel, please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon button so you also can get each and every job updates. And also please go through these videos and apply as soon as possible because recently only we have uploaded these videos. So this hiring is still open. So go through these all videos and try to apply as soon as possible before it closes. Thank you. So let's see the job role and salary. So job role they used to provide software engineer, and during the internship they will be going to give you 32,000 per month. That is a very good stipend. Okay, and after full time they will be giving you 8 LPA, 8 lakhs per annum. That's a very good salary as a freshers. Okay, now coming to eligibility criteria. So you should be pursuing your BTech in CSE IT in EC branch. So these three branch only HP will be eligible, and 10th and 12th you should have minimum 60% and you should have minimum 8.5 CGPA for HP company, and you should not have any active backlogs. Okay, now let's discuss about selection process. So what is the selection process? There will be 4 rounds we will be conducting. First round will be online assessment, second round will be technical interview, third round will be the managerial interview, and fourth round will be HR interview. Okay, so technical interview will be conducted for 30 to 40 minutes, managerial interview will be 20 to 30 minutes duration, and HR interview will be 10 to 20 minutes. Okay, all 3 interviews will be conducted on the same day. Okay, so one by one all the interview they will be conducting on the same day. So if you qualified for technical interview 2, then you will go for round 3 managerial interview. If you shortlist for manager interview, then you will go for HR interview. So that's the process, and all are elimination round. So you can eliminate in any of round. Even in the HR interview also they can eliminate you, but if you are in HR interview, then there is a 99% chance that you are get selected. Okay, now let's see the online assessment pattern. So this is the exam pattern for online assessment. In that there will be 3 sections will be there: quantitative ability and analytical ability. There will be 20 questions for that, and 35 minutes they will be giving you time for that. And technical and computer fundamentals, in that also they will give you 35 questions and 25 minutes. Okay, coming to coding, so there will be 3 coding questions will be there, and they will give you 75 minutes, and you can use any one language: C, C++, Java. Okay, so Python they have not mentioned in that, so you can choose any one language from out of these 3 languages. Okay, and no negative marking in the paper, so you won't have any negative marking. So if your time is going fastly and you left so many questions, so don't leave any question, just fill random options in every question. Don't leave any questions without filling any options. Okay, because there is no negative marking. Maybe if you are filling by randomly, there can be correct answers and you can shortlist for the technical interview. Okay, now let's see the how you can prepare for your online assessment. So there will be quantitative ability will be there and analytical ability will be there. So for quantitative ability you can prepare, these are the some of the important topics I have mentioned here, and for analytical ability also I have mentioned some of the important topics. Let's go through these topics and try to learn from the Google or YouTube. You can get so many playlists on the YouTube regarding these topics, so just go and try to learn these topics. So now coming to technical and computer fundamentals, what will be the syllabus? So there will be the pseudo code. So more number of questions was on the pseudo code, and MCQs on DSA, data structure and algorithm. operating system, database management system, and computer network. So you will get MCQs on these fundamentals theoretical subjects, and also you will get pseudocode. So pseudocodes will be more number of questions will be there. So try to practice as much as possible pseudocode, and that you can solve maximum number of questions in the technical assessment. And coming to coding round, so mostly coding questions based on the arrays and strings. Okay, so practice as much as possible arrays and string related problems. Okay, so try to practice more number of arrays and strings coding questions, so that you will be familiar with the all the strings and arrays type of questions, and you can easily attempt the coding questions from in the exam. And you can use any one programming language like C, C++ or Java. Okay, Python, I'm not sure that they are allowing or not, but recently we have researched, and in that we found like they are not allowing the Python language, because in Python so many built-in library will be there, so you can't write the logic for that. So that's why they are not mentioning the Python, and only C, C++ and Java. Okay, now coming to, we will see technical interview questions. So that will be the round 2, and so many questions we have added here, which is asked in HP previous drives. So first question will be introduction of yourself. After they will ask about your projects. So what are the questions can be possible in the projects that we have mentioned in this slide. Just take screenshot and try to relate with your projects these questions, and try to give answer according to you, and like this you can practice for the technical interview. Coming to programs, so there will be some easy programs they can ask to you to write on the paper, like swapping the two numbers without using third variable, reverse the string, find maximum element in the array. So some of the easiest programming questions they can ask to you to write on the paper. Okay, now see the second slide. We have mentioned here OOPS and database. So OOPS is very important for the technical interviews. Every interview having OOPS questions. So these are the OOPS concept questions we have mentioned here. Just go through these questions and prepare. Definitely they are going to ask from the OOPS, so don't leave this OOPS concept. Okay, and in the database also they will be asking you mostly SQL queries. Okay, so go through the SQL queries and practice as much as possible SQL queries. Okay, but OOPS is very important. 100% guarantees that they will be asking from the OOPS. So these are the questions you have to prepare very well about these questions. So coming to third slide. So in the third slide we have mentioned some of the DSA questions. So in DSA questions you no need to go in deep dive. Okay, just what you have to do, just make sure that you know the implementation of all data structure, stack, queue, linked list. Okay, so all data structure implementation, at least you should know how to implement all data structure. That will be enough for this HP hiring. Okay, now coming to fourth slide, some of the more questions we have added for data structure. So if you have time, then go through these questions. If you have less time, I will suggest you go only for implementation. Okay, just implementation, go through that for all data structure like arrays, linked list, stack, queue, everything. Okay, that's the thing you can do for data structure. Now coming to machine learning based questions also we have mentioned here. So machine learning based questions, if you have skills in your resume machine learning, you can go through these questions. If you don't have machine learning skills in your resume, or you don't want to put in your resume, just skip these questions. No need to prepare about these questions. This question is for only who have skills in machine learning. Okay, coming to operating system related questions also we have set here. So operating system they can ask, because it's a HP company. So just try to go through these questions from the operating system, and try to learn the basics concept from the operating system. Coming to C programming also we have mentioned some of the questions. Just go through that C programming questions and just prepare accordingly. Okay. Now coming to miscellaneous questions. So in miscellaneous questions we have added all type of questions which is comes around the all technical stuff. Okay, so just go through these questions and you can prepare. Okay, so these are the questions comes in the miscellaneous only. So just take screenshot of all questions and prepare in your free time. Okay, that's the thing you can do. Coming to managerial round, that will be the third round, round 3. In that they can ask about yourself, about your projects, and general HR questions. Okay, this interview will be based on the interviewer mode. Okay, if he wants to go in technical stuff, he can go for technical stuff. If he don't want to go in technical stuff, he can be based on HR question, type of questions he can ask. So it depends on the manager, okay, who is going to take your interview. Okay, so now let's see the round 4 HR interview. So HR interview, I have mentioned some of the HR questions. So in HR questions, they will be asking you some general type of questions to check your mindset and positive attitude towards your life. So simple and general questions they will be asking you in the HR question. So here so many HR questions I have mentioned for your reference. So nearly I have mentioned here 38 HR questions. So just go through this all questions, okay, and go through these all questions and you can prepare. First prepare for your technical interview. If you clear the technical interview, then just go through these HR interview questions, because 38 is huge number of questions. So just go through first technical interview questions and just complete your technical stuff first. After only you just go for HR questions, okay, because HR questions you can handle by yourself also. So there is no need much to prepare for HR questions, but if you have time, just go through these questions and prepare. So at the last, if you want one-to-one mentorship from me, or you want any mock interviews from my side, just ping me on this WhatsApp, okay. I will tell you how you can improve your in interview, how you have to speak up, and how you have to give answers to interviewer in the effective way. So each and everything we will be discussing in the mock interview. So you can ping me on this WhatsApp, or you can mail me on this mail ID. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video, and please share with your friends who is going to attend the HP campus drive or off campus drive. Okay, and please subscribe this channel, because we are bringing on this channel so many job updates and hiring process. You will be get so many content on regarding the placements and jobs on this channel. So please subscribe this channel, and please give a like for this video. We are doing so hard work for you people, so at least we want from you one like for this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thanks again. Bye bye.